Day 2 for the 12 days of Christmas.
Oh,
Hi, Kathy here from kathyskutekreations with my daughter.
Cherry, hi.
And here is the box in case you didn't see me show it the last time. There it is from Natalie, the ginger quilter. And we're going to see what's in number 2. Okay, I'm going to feel it first. So I'm going to say fabric. You feel it. Your turn.
It's going to be those squares. What are they called? The
5-inch squares.
Yeah, what's that called?
5-inch squares.
Cupcakes? I don't know.
Let's get some cupcakes.
You know what I mean? Like you get, what are they called?
I don't want you to keep.
Never mind. Everybody's
You
going to make fun of me.
Keep going.
I don't know. What?
Well, what aren't they called?
Wait a minute. I apparently not cupcakes. Gosh, this is gonna drive me nuts. I don't know. I know what it is because that's cardboard here.
Okay, so it's not a layer cake. That's the 10-inch.
Okay.
Let me say the first word.
First letter.
Hey, okay, a C. You used to watch the program on TV all the time. They had the witches on it. Started with C. Want the next letter?
Had the witches on it?
Want the next letter? H.
Charm.
There you go. Charm pack.
Charm pack.
I knew she'd get it. How are you going to
You
open
were
it this
working
time?
with this. You're talking about the show Charmed.
Right. But
Oh my gosh. And yes, I have the whole series.
Okay, let's see what we got here. I say Christmas fabric. What do you say?
Hair on me.
Christmas fabric?
Well, I mean, it is the 12 days of Christmas. You never know, though.
No, you never know.
Could be Valentine's or something. It's day 2. Try not to rip the bag. Oh, you're right. Look at that.
Oh, look at the back. Show them the back. That's all the fabric kind. That's all the kinds of
right.
fabric. Oh, isn't that pretty?
And not get the glare.
There you
There's no glare.
go.
Isn't that pretty? Get a little bit closer.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay,
Are
so
we opening it?
now, so
We're
here,
not going that far. We're only allowed to open this part of it.
We'll wait on it. So,
Okay.
so the comments were, do it either every day or every 2 days or whatever we wanted. But the question is it 2 every 2 days or is it 1 every 2 days? So it's on the odd days. So we opened the first one on the 1st. So this is the 3rd. Are we opening the 2nd and the 3rd on the 3rd? Or just the 2nd one on the 3rd? Are we trying to drag it out for the whole month? Just asking. What do you say?
I say it looks like it hasn't been opened at all. Well, I wanted somebody to back me up. Oh, all at the same time.
Open them all at the same time? Nobody said open them all at the same time.
Oh.
So do you want to do 2 and 3 today? Or are we
Who's
just
going to know
doing
that? I mean, how are we going to know that? Who's going to know that? Oh, gosh.
our subscribers?
No, but how are we going to know?
How are we going to know what?
If you're asking them today, being day 2, we're not going to know until a couple of days. And then what if somebody says open 2 every 2 days? So then we could have opened another today.
Okay, so you
know
want to
what
go? I understand what you're saying. So shall we go ahead and open 3, and then we'll find out tonight when they say their reviews?
Yes.
Okay. All right, hold on. We'll be right back.
Why did you take it out of the bag?
I really want to do number 3.
All right.
Wait a minute.
Oh, yeah, we got to touch it.
We gotta touch it.
Yeah, we have to touch it. We have to find out what's in it.
Okay, I can't guess.
Well, don't break it. No.
Your turn. Try. See what it feels like. I can't figure
It
it
feels
out.
like Christmas. It feels like an ornament. It feels, because it's like something, like a hook. It could be a needle and thread. It could be, it's a little.
It could be needle and thread. Oh, unless it was embroidery thread.
Ooh. No, it does. It feels like something you can hang because it feels very thin.
Let me try it.
But it has something here. Okay. You have like, sorry.
Something here.
Here, you feel it. Hold it up to the light. Looks like a boot. It's not a boot.
No, see, it's got a bump right there.
Uh-huh.
I don't know.
You keep poking it like that with your nails.
Okay,
You're
so
gonna
the way
puncture it.
that I feel it is something. So it feels like something bumpy up here, then down there, which makes me think this right here. That shape makes me think of antlers. Doesn't it? Isn't that what that makes you think
I
of?
said an ornament, so maybe it's a reindeer. A very tiny reindeer.
And they're all saying, "Quit killing us! Just let's see it."
Open it up! Open it up!
Oh, look!
Oh, we were
Neither
both
one
wrong.
of us were right.
Nope, sorry. Not even close.
There you go. It's
That's
a necklace with
That's
a
a pretty
star.
little antler. No.
I was going with this. That's what I felt. This right here. I was thinking antler.
Well, I felt this stuff back here, I think is what I was feeling. That's why I thought it was an ornament or whatever.
And of course, you know what that makes me think of?
That's nice.
Remember the little, I don't know if it was a saying or what it was, where 3 blind men, they each had a different part. You're looking at me. They each had a different part.
I don't know where you're going with this.
They had to identify what an elephant looked like based on them touching the elephant. One was up at the tusk, up at the trunk. One was at the little bitty tail, and one was like at the foot. And so they were all feeling what they could with their hand and explaining what an elephant looked like to them. Just saying. I think that's what it was. I know it had to do with the trunk and the witchcoat. Okay. Somebody back me up, please.
I knew that was coming.
Okay, so now we open up 2 on day 2. So let us know whether we're going to open up 3 and 4 on the next odd day.
No, just open the box and get them all out.
Okay, take care, everybody. Bye-bye. I had to come back because she's killing me. So we were discussing how we liked each one of these. And I said that kind of like number 3, I don't wear necklaces and anything. So it's sort of like, but number 2, excuse me, I like the fabric. I said, I kind of like number 1, too. And she goes, wait a minute, what was number 1?
What was number 1? I don't remember.
I said, it was just a couple of days ago we did the video. It was the pattern. Remember? It was a pattern?
No, I don't remember.
She doesn't remember. Oh my gosh. Just a minute. We're going
It's
to
the
get it
lack
out.
of sleep. That's what it is.
That's probably what it is. Hold on a second. We'll get it. So we pulled out number 1 because she can't remember, but she'll remember it as soon as she sees it. Yeah, you do. She says, was I with you?
Oh. Was this in a bag? I don't remember the bag. Yes, I remember number 1.
There
As soon
you
as I
go.
saw the cute little snowman.
Yeah.
That is adorable.
I knew you would remember.
I don't remember the bag. That's what I said. What was number 1?
Okay, now we're officially gone. Until next time. Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.